I'm Santing Nepal, and I'm going to sing You Belong With Me by Taylor Swift. And she is my favorite country singer of all time, and she's like my favorite singer like forever, and I love her for my entire life. I just hope that one time I could go to her concert and like sing with her and stuff like that. But I know that one day it might come true. So she's Taylor Swift, and I hope you enjoy, love it. Down if you can see that I'm the one who wants to steal you. Been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You enjoyed it. Bye.